Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tell you about NFT NYC 2022. A look inside a massive NFT conference. NFT NYC 2022 was filled with emerging NFT project and industry experts. Cointelegraph senior report Rachel Wolfson spent a day exploring NFT NYC 2022 to learn about emerging non-fungible tokens project or NFTs and how the sector may advance. A recent market report published by Verified Market Research (PMR) predict that the NFT market could reach a value of $230 billion by 2030. NFT NFT 2022 certainly demonstrates the potential of the NFT sector, highlighting some of the most promising use case and industry expert. For instance, Camila Russo, founder of the Defiant and author of the Infinite Machine, told Cointelegraph that NFT products sold advance to bring value to holder, whether that comes in the form of community building or funding for a new project. Cointelegraph also decided of safe house hosted by Repo and Google. David Smart, Chief Technology Officer of Ripple, talked to Cointelegraph about the advantages and disadvantages of NFT project, while Julian Paulkins, Chief Executive Officer of Doodle, explained the importance of a physical NFT managing experience. Cryptocurrency influencer Gordon Crypto and Tec from Carolina also shared the thought on the advancing NFT ecosystem. PVC Venezuela Twitter account hacked. Attacker suspect CRP deployed. An attacker gained access to PVC Venezuela Twitter account and has been actively posting cryptocurrency phishing links for the last 8 hours at the time of the writing. The official Twitter account of Big Four accounting firm PVC Venezuela was compromised and has been used by the hacker to share links to fraudulent SCRP token giveaways. An attacker gained access to BBC Venezuela Twitter account and has been actively posting cryptocurrency phishing links for the last 8 hours at the time of the rating, considering that all the tweets posted by the hacker remain active. It is evident that BBC officials are yet to release the compromise. Investor clicking on the links remain at risk of being defrauded by the hacker. If not mitigate formally, the tweet might be catastrophic, considering that PVC Venezuela Twitter currently boasts over 37,000 followers. When Telegraph was reached out PVC Venezuela to inform them about the hack, PVC Venezuela has not yet responded to Cointelegraph request for comment. Bluebands, a Brazilian crypto lending platform, recently blocked 22,000 users from withdrawing funds following an alleged hack that drained $32 million. Regarding the hack, unnamed investor told portal Blue Bitcoin, I think there is a probability of in being scam because this bull hacker attack stories sound like a lot of bullshit, something they invent. The statement reflects a general lack of trust among investors in centralized crypto exchanges. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, see this video, and bye bye.